When in doubt, go into paparazzi mode. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, it's me, Andrea. When we travel, we go for the experience and the culture and to learn. Did you smell the fire?
I don't know, I was filming, but I heard it.
But we also travel for the gram. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you about all the techniques and all the different equipment I use to make sure I always get the shot. Get your charge on. Yeah, you're not gonna get the shot if you have no battery, right?
No.
A multi-outlet adapter is a complete game changer, and I use the Septics World Travel Adapter Kit. You can charge everything, 5 charges in one. On top of it, it comes with all the different plugs that you could possibly need from all over the world. It comes with a travel bag, it's all in one. These things are really reliable. I've used it all around the world. Because that's the one crazy thing about when you travel to a hotel. They give you tons of towels, soap. I've gotten free slippers, but trying to find more than one free outlet is like trying to find the meaning of life. Probably not there. Wow, that is really, no, that is really dark. It's like trying to find Waldo. Trying to find your sunglasses in a really deep bag. Anyways, the struggle is real, and that's why this has been such a game changer for me. Which brings me to multiple batteries. I fought this for so long because I was like, I spent so much money on all my gadgets, I just don't feel like spending another 40 bucks on an extra battery. I'm stubborn. Get the extra battery. Especially when you travel, you're using your electronics way more than you normally are. You're gonna be wanting to capture everything, like a pigeon, you're gonna be wanting to capture. And if you look back at your photos, especially on a DSLR, that drains your battery like that.
Oh no!
Make sure you have an extra battery that's fully charged so that you can shoot to your heart's desire. I use a DSLR, my Canon Rebel T4i. For those of you that know what that is, you're probably laughing at me because it's really old. There's definitely been upgrades, a few. I think they're on T7i right now. What? I know that there's better cameras out there, but I like it. It's affordable, especially now. It's still working, so when I travel, I can hit it against things, which I've done a lot. No!
Oops.
With the DSLR, you have the ability to upgrade a higher megabyte resolution for your photos. You can get the nicer lenses. You can do that with the same camera body versus, smartphone, you have to be upgrading all the time to get the new features. This allows you more flexibility to do more things and do it at a higher level. Autofocus is very important, especially for a DSLR. Usually manual focus is the best way to go around, but there's a lot of issues with manual focus. Most people don't know how to do it. It's still something that's pretty advanced. It's the other one.
Oh. Wait.
And since I rely on bystanders to take most of my pictures, autofocus is really easy and almost always works. It's really important to be in focus. You can do a lot with editing apps, but what you can fix is making something blurry to something sharp. So you can make something that's in focus out of focus, but doing it the opposite way, you can.
Nope.
And I've noticed that with my Canon, there's certain lenses that are better for the autofocus, like the one that I'm using right now, which is my 18-135 lens, which is the cheaper lens. But my more expensive one, also maybe heavier, isn't as good. It's the 17-55, and that makes a squeak noise when it's video. So just double check when you're getting your DSLR that the lens that you're getting with it focuses fast. Here, I'm saving the best for last. Paparazzi mode. Woo, woo. Also known as sport mode, and this is something that the smartphones don't have. This is the way to get the best shots in the least amount of time. You know those like candid jumping and doing all that looks so professional? You can get that all with sport mode, and I call it paparazzi mode because paparazzi seems to be a word that everyone understands. All they have to do is just click, and it sounds like a paparazzi. It goes like click, 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 click. And again, since I'm relying on strangers to take pictures for me, sport mode increases my chances of having a great photo without the embarrassment of having to ask them to do it again. Oh, it's cute. It's great because you get that candid, beautiful motion. It saves time, and you're guaranteed at least one of the shots will be usable. What are your tricks for getting the perfect Instagram shot? Let me know in the comments below, and a big thanks to Septics for making this video possible. Definitely check out their stuff in the link below, and I'll be doing a giveaway for a world travel adapter kit on my Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!